Remote Smart Parking Assist, Smart Parking. Remote Smart Parking Assist, or Rspa, available in the GV70, helps the driver easily park and exit parking spaces. Rspa automatically controls the steering wheel, vehicle speed, and gear shifts, and the driver can operate the system outside the vehicle with a smart key. It uses the front ultrasonic sensors, front corner ultrasonic sensors, rear corner ultrasonic sensors, and rear ultrasonic sensors to detect the surroundings. Smart parking can be used from inside the vehicle, and remote smart parking can be used from outside the vehicle. When using Rspa from inside the vehicle, you can also exit from a parallel parking space using Smart Exit. See the video Remote Smart Parking Assist, Remote Smart Parking for information on how to use Rspa from outside the vehicle. To activate Rspa, press and hold the Parking View button while stopped or driving at a low speed. To scan a parking space, move forward at below 20 kilometers per hour and remain within between 50 centimeters and 1.5 meters of the other parked vehicles. When the system detects the parking space, a message will appear on the infotainment system display. Stop the vehicle, then select a parking type. Follow the instructions on the infotainment system display. Press and hold the Parking View button and release the brake pedal to start Smart Parking. Automatic parking will operate while you are pressing and holding the Parking View button. When the parking is complete, a message will appear on the infotainment system display and the vehicle will go into park and engage the parking brake. Letting go of the Parking View button will pause Smart Parking. Pressing and holding the Parking View button again will resume the parking. You can follow the same procedure for parallel reverse parking. With the driver inside, Rspa can also perform Smart Exit from a parallel parking space. Pressing and holding the Parking View button with the gear in park or neutral will activate Rspa. Select an exit direction and press and hold the Parking View button. The vehicle will start exiting. You can start driving after the message "Exit completed" appears on the infotainment system display. If you don't depress the accelerator or brake pedal within 4 seconds, the vehicle will go into park. You can pause Smart Parking at any point by letting go of the Parking View button, depressing the brake pedal, unfastening your seatbelt, or opening the driver's door or tailgate. Smart Parking will cancel if you press Cancel on the infotainment system display, turn the steering wheel, change gears, or in other various situations. See Owner's Manual for further details and limitations.